How to use Hyatt friends and family discount. So let's get started. So you have to ask your friend or family that currently works for Hyatt, and they are the one that can help you. So basically what you have to do is create this discount for you. So you need to ask them firstly, and you just have to go into the Safari or any browser that you are using, and here you have to log in into your account. Now from here you have to ask them for the discount code. Now what will happen is that you will either get the promo code from directly, and you will be able to get a link from them. But if you are unsure in how you can actually use it, then you have to locate the special offer section, and you have to enter the friends and family code that they provided you, and you are able to use the Hyatt's friends and family discount. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.